What happens when artificial intelligence meets chartered accountancy and finance? It's not just automation, it's revolution in how business run, how money moves, and how career evolve. Hi, I'm Hemant, and today let's see why AI is the most powerful tool every CA and finance professional must understand or is being left behind. Let's start with what's changing. AI can analyze thousands of transactions in seconds, cutting audit time by almost 70%. In finance, algorithms are predicting cash flows, managing risk, and optimizing portfolio in real time. AI tools are replacing spreadsheets with smart dashboard and auto-generated insights. In short, the manual grind is out and smart decision making is in. So what's the opportunity here? Huge. CAs are evolving into financial strategists. Finance professionals are becoming data-driven advisors. Here is what AI lets you do. First, detect fraud before it happens using anomaly detection. Second, provide real-time tax planning advice with predictive analytics. Third, deliver CFO-level insights even as a junior analyst. Imagine advising your client or company not just on past data but on future trends AI predicts. That's power. Here is the winning formula. Technical knowledge, that's CA, plus financial understanding, that's market and business, plus AI tools, that's automation and analytics, which becomes elite 21st century finance leader. Companies today don't just want accountants, they want professionals who can automate routine work, interpret complex data, drive strategic decisions with AI tools. Whether you are in audit, corporate finance, equity research, or FP&A, AI is your new co-pilot. So, if you are a CA, finance student, or working professional, don't fear AI. Master it. Use it. Lead with it. Like this video if you are ready to level up. Comment how you see AI changing the finance world. Thank you.